I don't want my skin to have like a really bad reaction because I have really sensitive skin and my skin cannot take a lot of bullshit. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with the cold. I'm in love with you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a very interesting video. Don't mind my makeup, I just did some crazy shit. Okay. This is usually not what my makeup usually looks like, but I just did a crazy video and you guys just check it out. This is the card right here, so just I think here or here, wherever it is, it'll be listed down below. Just check that video out and it's really fun. Today I'm going to be doing a first impression slash following. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm going to do it anyways type of video. When I saw that the Kylie skin was coming out, I was like, hell yeah, because I'm a skincare junkie. Like, I have so many products. I have a nighttime routine every single day, okay, that I do, and I do not sleep with my makeup ever. It doesn't matter how drunk I am. I come in the house, I always take off my makeup. Always. I'm one of those crazy girls that always take off their makeup. Not this makeup though. This is usually not what my makeup looks like. Just watch that video. But today I'll be doing a first impression slash following Kylie Jenner's skincare routine. I saw the video of her doing her skincare routine and I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it just like how you doing it. I'm gonna do it exactly the same way. Okay, so we're gonna put the video right here of her doing her skincare routine and then we're just gonna follow it and see if it actually works. Okay, let me get the kit before we even start. 1 second. Okay, so this is the kit right here. I got the whole kit. The box come like this. It comes with Kylie Jenner right here with foundation, of course, on, because there's no way she's not wearing foundation. Like, bullshit. I don't want anyone to, you know, fool you. She actually is wearing makeup, maybe some BB cream or some concealer. Yeah. And her eyebrows is on fleek. Perfect. And she has mascara on, of course. Anyways, enough shade. This is how the kit looks like. It's really pretty. I love the packaging. I love blush pink. It's funny because I really hate the color pink, but I like blush pink. Is that weird? I'm really surprised that this kit doesn't have makeup wipes. I thought the whole kit came with a makeup wipe. Like, what? On the back of this card it says, hope you guys love your Kylie skin products. It's just the beginning. I thought that was really vague. Like, you couldn't have said something better. This whole kit retails for $125. It comes with a foaming face wash, a face scrub, a walnut face scrub, a toner, a moisturizer, eye cream, and also a serum. I have something like everything on this kit. I use an eye cream. I use all these things. Like, I tell you, I'm a skincare junkie. Like, my skin looks amazing, okay, without makeup, okay? I'm just kidding. For real, it does. We're gonna watch the video and we're gonna follow what she's doing. Since this kit doesn't come with a makeup wipe, I'm gonna go ahead and take off my makeup real quick, you know, so I can start. Is it just me, or or you guys too don't trust makeup wipes? When y'all taking off your makeup, I use makeup wipes, and then I also use a oil, like a body oil, to take off my makeup. So my face is pretty much good. As you can see, it's pretty clear. I still have acne scars from stuff like that, but it's not that bad. So let's go ahead and start this video.
So I'm going to show you guys my everyday skincare routine and just talk about my products a little more. Start with my face wash. Probably my favorite product on the line. It just makes my face feel so clean, and it also retains your natural moisture in your face. So you really only need one pump. Goes a long way.
Wait, Kylie. One pump? This is enough for my face? Okay, let's try. Whoa. Oh, okay. You're actually right. You're right, girl. You're right. You're right. Okay. I saw people using like 5 pumps of this shit. Like, no. This one pump, she's right. It's good. It's enough. Like, it's really like, I feel like it's like my face is like eating it. Okay. This is a face wash? It doesn't feel like a face wash. I feel like, wait. Where did it go? Like, oh, what? This a face wash? What? Wait. I feel like I just applied lotion. Why is it doing that? This is really weird. Let's continue the video. And it smells like chemicals. Ooh, and it's itching my face a little. Ooh. It's itching my face. Okay.
Creaminess and creaminess. The scent is amazing and so refreshing.
No, it's not. Sis, I'm still trying to find where this face wash went. It literally feels like I applied lotion on my face. But okay. Let's go. Let's continue. Why is she just applying it like on the bottom part of her face? Because her eyebrows is literally slayed, and it literally looks like she's wearing foundation right here. Right here. Okay, Kylie. Don't it feels like I just put some Nivea on my skin? It literally feels like that. Of some Vaseline, right? Like it's gone. Like I'm looking for it. It's gone. It's gone.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna pat my face, not wipe. Because I used to really dry my face really
this shit better come
harsh.
out of my
Now we're
face.
just gonna be gentle with our faces, ladies. Oh.
Okay. Pat my face and now wipe. This is some makeup on my face.
Now I'm gonna go in with my walnut face scrub. I actually wrote all of these descriptions on the back, handwritten by Kylie. Our gentle yet effective walnut exfoliator is essential for achieving a fresh face. It is packed with a cocktail of anti-inflammatory ingredients and skin-smoothing fruit extracts that buff away dead skin cells to reveal a soft, radiant complexion. Scrubs can be kind of harsh on your skin when you just put it on dry. So I'm gonna wet my face a little. And then I'm just gonna use a little bit and put it on my face. I'm gonna rub mainly like around my nose. I'm gonna avoid the delicate skin around my eyes. It smells really good. We actually put no fragrance in a lot of our products, so it just smells like pure, delicious walnuts. I'm gonna wash it right off. Okay, again, we're gonna pat, ladies and gentlemen. I like to use it 2 to 3 times a week, even if you do it once.
2 to 3 times a week? I can't too, Kylie. I can't. Let me put it right here too, because I need some stuff to be cleared. She said she put it by her nose. Okay. We'll put in. My God, oh. Why did I put myself in this type of trouble today? Like, why did I do this to myself? It doesn't smell good. It smells like... It smells like fufu. If you're African, you know what I'm talking about. It feels like a really weird chemical. Like something you buy from, like, you know, eBay or some shit. Like, it's burning my face. Like, oh God, I can't. My face is burning, like... Okay. Take that out. Hey God, my beautiful skin, my beautiful skin. I'm about to ruin my beautiful skin. Shit. She said wipe, not rub. Me, I'm used to rubbing, but okay. Let's take that out. Okay. The scrub is still on my face.
Toner really helps prepare my face for my serum and my moisturizer. So I'm just gonna wipe this all over. It smells amazing. I could take a bath in this. I don't really like toners that have alcohol in them. Again, my face feels very stripped away. So this retains your natural moisture and just feels really good and fresh. So after my toner, I'm gonna go in with my vitamin C serum. All you really need to do is apply a single pump. I'm actually gonna go crazy today and do 2. And it's for every day. Right when you put it on, it immediately like soaks into your skin. That's what I love about this one. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, so it really helps brighten your complexion. So, love this.
Wait, Kylie. Wait. No. Oh. This smells like really bad. This is the worst one. What is that? What in the world? What is this? Like, this smells so bad. Like, I can't. Like the smell, like, oh my god, I can't. Like it smells really bad. Like
Then after that, I will use my face moisturizer. I love my face moisturizer because it's not, I don't really like super thin moisturizers. I like to feel lathered and delicious and moisturized. Also, this moisturizer is my base for my makeup right now. This makes my makeup look flawless every single time. I'm just gonna pump. I'm gonna do like 2.5 squirts. This feels, there's no scent in this, so it just smells like all the natural ingredients in here. I learned strong fragrances can be kind of overwhelming, and also when it comes to your face, I feel like you just want to feel clean and like you're not putting fragrance on your face. So that was kind of important to me, to keep everything super light and clean. Your face just looks naturally hydrated. I love putting this on just to leave the house if I'm wearing no makeup. It is the perfect base for my makeup, you guys. This has changed my life. Okay, so now last, definitely not least, my eye cream. It pretty much is the best recipe for your eyes. My sisters taught me at a really young age to wear eye cream. I feel like you could start as early as you want. It's just a good preventative to keep your under eyes hydrated and moisturized. I designed this with a tip so you never actually have to use your fingers. I love that about this because sometimes I don't want to put on eye cream at night. It's a lot of work. So this makes it super easy for me. So I'm just going to squeeze it on here and then apply it right under my eyes. You could definitely cover up a late night partying, or even if you just stayed up late and haven't gotten a lot of sleep. This is a quick fix. And voila. So that is my whole routine. I have been creating this for a year. I've been using it for a little under that, maybe 10 months. It really has become an everyday thing for me. I can't live without this, and I'm so excited for you guys to have this, try this. They're amazing products, and I know you guys have also been asking for a skincare routine for a really long time, and I wish I could have shared this earlier, but I'm so happy that you guys can get your hands on this ASAP because this is my skincare routine, and I'm so excited for you guys to have it. Get your Kylie Skin May 22nd on KYLIESKIN.com.
all I gotta say is this shit is not safe. Like, it's not safe. My face is burning. Like, I'm not even kidding you. Like, my face is burning. Like, oh my god. Like, my eyes are like really burning. I'm just gonna say what I gotta say real quick and take this off because I don't want my skin to, like, you know, I don't want my skin to have like a really bad reaction because I have really sensitive skin and my skin cannot take a lot of bullshit. Okay, because this shit is bullshit. This literally, I don't feel any difference but pain. I really don't feel any difference. Like, my face is actually burning. My eyes are like really burning, like really burning. And I just feel like all she said was a lie. The only thing that she said that was true was that the face moisturizer doesn't have no scent, and it actually doesn't have no scent. It doesn't. But everything else smelled like shit. It smelled like it was tested on animals. It doesn't feel like real human beings tried these things out. There's no way real human beings tried this shit out and actually told her to put this out, because it smells horrible. Like, the walnut scrub is like really crazy. This face wash, what is this gonna wash? Like, it did not do anything for me. Like, it disappeared in my skin, as you can see, as you guys saw. Like, it did not feel like anything, and I'm just like, I just wasted $125, and I'm gonna try to find a way to get that money back. But definitely a no, a hell to the no. Like, no. If she come out with anything on the Kylie Skin stuff, I'm not buying. Her makeup stuff are great. Trust me. I've tried her makeup stuff. Amazing. But the skin, like, girl, what were you thinking? Like, what? The toner, like, I've used a lot of toners in my life, and this doesn't feel anything. The eye cream did relieve my skin a little bit because my whole face was like burning, but under my eyes doesn't burn anymore, and like my face is so warm. Like, I feel like my skin is like, what did you do to it? Like, and it's like my face is sticky. Like, it's sticky. You know, like when you take off your makeup and you feel like that refresh? Nah, this feels like you put like 20 gallons of like alcohol on your face. Like, it feels, and the walnut scrub is like, it's like sand on my skin. Like, it did not come off like completely, so it's like really burning my skin. Like, oh my god, I need to take this off as soon as possible. I do not recommend this bullshit. Like, this is bullshit, okay? This is complete adding more money to a billionaire's account. This is not right. I feel like this is not ethical. Like, this is not having good morals for real, because why would you create something like this? It's trash. I'm sorry, but yeah, guys, don't buy this. Like, yeah, please don't buy this. I regret buying this shit. I just wasted a lot of money. I should have sent that money for someone in Africa. They would have thanked me and prayed for me for like years. This is bullshit. My eyes are really burning right now. So I'm gonna go and wash my face and actually do my real skincare routine. You know, probably put on a mask or something just so that my face can, you know, come back to its normal stage. But this is definitely a hell to the fucking no for me. No, 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 no. Don't buy this shit. Please don't buy this shit. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Thumbs up this video. Even though this first impression was all over the place, but thumbs up this video. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I hit my plug, that's a trollo. You got it for the low, low. If you stitching, I go low.